Hi, it's Lynette here. So I have not one, but two Lights and Beauty boxes for you this month. So I'm going to tell you a little bit, I'm just shoving away the stuff that I finished on that other video. I'm going to tell you a little bit about how this has happened, and then I'll show you the boxes. So, I have a really lovely friend in the Netherlands called Monique. She has a YouTube channel, Dutch Monique, and she always does some really lovely comments on my channel. And last year or the year before, I think she sent me a lovely kind of present for my birthday, and just I never ever got around to sending her anything back. So one of my really good subscribers, Sally, had sent a couple of items that Monique had said she liked that were in my box. And I thought, oh, that was really kind. And then I thought, do you know what I could do? I could send Monique a box. And I thought, oh, you know, what do you pick for somebody who does makeup, YouTube, you know, skincare? She gets PR for a fantastic company called Douglas. She gets to try loads of different things, and I thought I can give her a box that she doesn't get over in the Netherlands. So what I did was I contacted Monique and I said, how do you fancy picking your own items and I'll send you the box? So she said, that's fine. And I thought, do you know what? I won't get myself a box, I'll just get a box for Monique, and Monique can pick the items, with just one exception was that, can I pick one of these? Just in case it goes out of stock, right, because I really like it. And she's like, yep, that's fine. So on the Sunday night, my friend Bryony, who's got a fantastic YouTube channel, Being Bryony, if you don't subscribe to her already, or Monique, I'll leave the links down below. Bryony posted a video telling us what was going to be in the Latest in Beauty boxes for that Monday. So they do a release every week. They have a haul, a fame item, they guarantee there's one for everybody, and then they do releases on Monday. They release different items every Monday. So it's fantastic. It's really kind of changed it up since I first started getting the box anyway. So I'm an original subscriber, so I still get the 9 items for £18, including postage and packaging. So if you sign up now, they don't do the 3 or 9 boxes, it's only 6 items, but it's a fantastic deal. I think you need to be with them 3 months to get the postage and packaging free, and I suppose that saves people kind of dipping in and out, and so it makes it a wee bit fairer for the company. So anyway, what happens on the Sunday was I see the item that is on my wish list of things. The reason I bought the vegan box, the Bright Me Up serum, and I thought, oh no, I thought I don't need it. I've got it in the vegan box, but it's your favourite serum on it. I know, but I don't need it, I don't need it, I don't need it. I lasted about 5 minutes and then I ordered myself a box. And I messaged Monique and I said, I knew this was going to happen. And she said, when I was going through picking things, I thought, oh, I bet Lynette would like that. And I was like, yeah, you're right, I absolutely do. So I got myself my own box, which had not been my plan. I was not planning on doing it. I was going to be good. I do not need any more products, but I needed this, right? Okay. So get that confession. So I'm just quickly going to show you the items that Monique has ordered, and I'm going to take out my curling cream. So Monique ordered 8 items from the box, which I think is fantastic, because you know you get to see the other items that people would pick, and I'm not going to open anything or touch anything, I'm just going to show you the packaging. So she ordered the Philip Kingsley Maximizer, which is a root boosting spray, and there's 60 mils of that. She also ordered the Sukin foaming facial cleanser, which is 50 mils for all skin types. I really quite like the brand Sukin. It's quite a decent range, and they're always in the Holland and Barrett advent calendar, because they're kind of cruelty free and they use all these natural ingredients. An Australian company, you know, there's nothing really bad in it. This has got chamomile, aloe vera, green tea and witch hazel. And it's got no nasties in it at all, no silicones or sulfates and petroleum and phthalates, and so it's I like the brand, and it's reasonably priced as well. She also picked a sheet mask, an anti-jet lag sheet mask with ceramides, okay, and it's the Jeju edit, so honeycomb fibre mask. So I'm looking forward to seeing her doing this. putting this mask on and finding out what she thinks about it. She also picked the Gatineau Paris, which is limited edition radiance enhancing enzymatic gommage. Right, so what is it? You add it to dry skin, massage for 1 to 2 minutes until texture turns to liquid, rinse with water, your complexion appears brighter and skin radiant, formulated with fruit enzymes, AHA and vitamin C. So it's almost a bit like it. So it's like a glow product, but I wonder if it's a little bit like a fruit peel almost. So she ordered that. So I've never seen Gatineau in the box before. She also ordered the Laritzi lip gloss, and I'll open it just to show you the colour, but I won't open the lip gloss. Oh, that's dark. Now, I would probably kind of wear that myself, but with a little bit of a lighter lipstick over that, because I've got lots of lipsticks this colour, but that will really suit Monique. I think that'll suit her. Looking forward to seeing what she thinks of her box when it arrives, because if she's anything like me, it'll take weeks for this to arrive. So I'll post this on Wednesday. I'm away for the next couple of days. So it'll probably be Saturday before I get to the post office, and then it'll take about 3 weeks to arrive. So even if she watches this video, if she's like me, she'll forget what's in her box. And she also ordered the Sukin Blemish Control Clearing Facial Wash. I usually, the couple that I've had of this, I've passed on to Stephen for his skincare. But he's kind of using Kiehl's at the moment, which he swears by, and a Corey's yogurt, foaming yogurt, the Greek yogurt cleanser. Uses one during the day and one at night. So Lynn gave me that when I was through, which was really kind of, because it's like 20 odd quid. There's a little mini Cetaphil moisturiser. This is a wee freebie. There is the, now I'm not sure how you pronounce this, is it PS or Pacey blusher with argan oil, and here's the hero product. It's a limited edition one as well. The Bright Me Up Serum, limited edition by London Botanical Laboratories. This is £55 if you were to buy it from them, £55. So that's what I'm just checking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so the sheet mask, the lip gloss, the serum, the blusher, the Gatineau, the Sukin, and the Philip Kingsley, and the little freebie Cetaphil. So here's what I ordered, right? I will show you. So I've got 9 items, and of course, I got myself another curl cream, because this comes and goes. They did have this a couple of years ago or last year, but it's about £8-9, and I do like it. Pop that in the box. Although I am currently using up something else at the moment. I ordered another Dirty Works vitamin C face scrub. Haven't actually used this yet, so I hope it's good, because I've ordered a couple. But it's not an expensive brand, but I do like their products. I love their foam and sugar scrub. Antonia actually picked that up, not from her Sainsbury's, but from another Sainsbury's for me. I also picked up the Gatineau Paris, because I thought that looks really interesting. Oh, I like this as well, the Inky List. I've never tried anything by the Inky List. So this says Selfless by Hiram. Every product purchased helps fight climate change, protecting tropical forests from deforestation. And it's a retinol and rainbow algae repair serum. Again, I love serums. Oh, it says do not use if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. Do not use near eye area in case of irritation, discontinue use. I wonder if that's because of the retinol. I don't know what the retinol is, the percentage of retinol. It's a slow release retinol. I didn't know there was anything other than a slow release retinol, or I didn't actually know that slow release retinol was a thing, is what I should actually say. But the packaging is really cool. I love that. And it's not sealed, so I will probably pop that into, not everything's sealed that you get, but I just wouldn't leave it hanging around for years like I do some of my other things. There's also this vegan toner, because it was there, chamomile, calendula, aloe vera juice. I love toner, I use it, I don't love it, but I use it every day. And this one's the one that's like 30 odd quid. So I thought, may as well get it. As I say, you know, I was going to be so good. I wasn't going to get myself a box. I didn't need a box. I didn't need to spend £18. Oh, I also got myself Literacy. So yeah, that's what that's what Monique was saying to me. She's like, yeah, just don't get the boxes mixed up. Oh, I did it in the same colour. There was me saying it's probably a bit dark for me. So what I'll do is, because I probably have quite a few lip glosses now, I'll pop that in a giveaway. And there is also the Anika Bold Lash Vegan Mascara. I've actually got quite a few of these, and I don't know if I've used them yet. I gave one to my mum as well, and she said it's fantastic. But Anika's a great brand, so I will probably try and use that up soon. So yeah, I'll pop that in my that's why I got it. I'm doing a giveaway box. Brighten Me Up, London Botanicals Serum. Absolutely love this stuff. It's on my would repurchase again. So a lot of things that I buy, I'll say, do you know what, if I didn't have 10 on their toners, I might consider repurchasing it, but I'm not going to. But this was on my would definitely repurchase. There's not many things on my definitely repurchase list. I do it as I'm going along with my product inventory, but this was on it from the year before last. So the first year I've kind of done my product inventory. And last but not least, it was Sharon Gray, who told me that the Bare Minerals was on there, and I didn't pay much attention to seeing it on there, but when Sharon said it was on there, I thought, oh, I'm going to go in, and actually this is the colour that I use. Petal. So I normally buy this from John Lewis, and I used to buy it when they were price matching with Debenhams, because I used to have a husband. Yes, I still have that husband, but he used to work for John Lewis, used to get discount. So when they price matched with Debenhams, they put all their prices to Debenhams prices, and then I got 25% off. So it worked out, you know, £15 or something. Last time I bought it, Steve wasn't working there, so it was like £21 or whatever. I got it a couple of Christmases ago. My favourite colour ever. And if you bought it and you don't like it, honestly, I'll buy it from you. I don't know how much that would work out as, but a few pounds anyway. But look how much you get. That will last you ages. So I will definitely, if it's still on there, be going in next month and picking up some of these, because you know what they're really handy for? I keep my Bare Minerals in my handbag, and it's quite big actually. I mean, it's worth the money. Well, it depends if you think it's worth the money actually. I'm kind of thinking about 20 quid for a lipstick might not actually seem worth the money. That was a silly thing to say, but for me it's worth the money. I don't buy it very often. It lasts me ages, and it's a treat now and again. I'm more kind of Rimmel than I am Bare Minerals, to be honest with you. But every now and again, you're allowed to treat yourself. So for me, that once every 2 years treat is definitely worth it. But this, for the size, is absolutely fantastic. So I'll definitely be popping that in my handbag. I'm also doing a bit of a lip panning project. However, I think I've only put up one video because I thought it was going to be really boring just saying, oh, here's my lipsticks I'm going to pick. But what I did last month was I popped it in with my Shop Moustache for my makeup, and I popped it in there. So I'll probably do that again this month, and then next month do an update, because I've used up quite a number. I've used up about 3 of the kind of lip products, like a lip mask, a lip balm. I mean, to be fair, it wasn't a full lip balm, and maybe a lip oil. So 2 a sleep mask, a lip mask, and a lip balm. And I've also got a wee bit of use on the other things. So I thought I'll add it into my Shop Moustache this month, and then next month I will do the lip product panning and do a video on that separately. However, what I will also be doing is picking some lipsticks from my own collection rather than just those that are in that bag, because that sounds like a great idea, but that gets really boring. Although I must admit, before I did Shop Moustache, a product went into my bag and I used it kind of daily. But now what I'm going to do with my Shop Moustache is I'm probably going to get a bigger, like, I'll probably keep the makeup bag idea and fill that up. But I'll be adding more products, not just ones from my lip panning product, is what I want to say. I'll probably still stick to the using up the mascaras, but it was great this month because I had 2 new mascaras to put in, but I've almost finished one of them, so I can add another one to try that. So I'm really liking doing that and using my products, but I'll probably add a wee bit more variety, because I think I just did 2 of everything and 3 eyeshadows, and actually I've only used 2 of the eyeshadow palettes and one of those once, so I need to be a bit more adventurous. Anyway, I'm gonna go, but yeah, £55, if it's still on there, I like it. If you don't kind of feel like you get any benefit from the serum, you might be like, well, Lynette, I'm not gonna kind of, you know, I would certainly not pay £55 for it, but I would go online and pay £10 for it, you know, if somebody was selling it, and that's quite often what happens. You'll go on eBay and somebody will have bought a box, the vegan box, the product's worth £55, and initially they'll put it on for 20 and then they'll bring it down to 10, and people like me will say, or I got offered one that was like £3 on eBay, they brought the price down, and it was £4 postage and packaging. So I would, you know, that kind of thing. But I thought, no, I've got 2 now, you don't need any more, but I might go on eBay and get a couple more. But I might not. If it's still there next month, I'll definitely get more. Anyway, I'm going to go. I hope you've enjoyed this. Please go over and subscribe to Monique. She's got a lovely channel. She's such a lovely lady. Bryony as well, and Lynn All Things Beauty, because I mentioned her in the video, or my last video. I can't remember. I think I might have said that Lynn has given me, like when we went to visit her, she's given me loads of different things. So yeah, go over and subscribe to those 3 people if you aren't already, and then you can see Monique's reaction when she opens her box, and I need to make sure I send her the right box. Anyway, speak to you soon guys, bye bye.